Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kafka Connect with Elasticsearch for log analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of connecting Kafka Connect with Elasticsearch for log analytics. First, ensure you have Apache Kafka and Elasticsearch installed on your system. Next, make sure you have the Kafka Connect plugin for Elasticsearch. Download the appropriate Elasticsearch Sync connector from Confluent Hub or the official repository. Once downloaded, place the connector in your Kafka Connect plugins directory. Now, start your Kafka Connect instance. You can do this by using the command line or a Docker container. Once Kafka Connect is running, open your preferred text editor to create a configuration file for your Elasticsearch Sync connector. In the configuration file, define the connector properties. Set the name for your connector under the name property. Specify that connector.class is io.confluent.connect.elasticsearch.elasticsearch sync connector. Next, provide the tasks.max property to indicate how many tasks can run in parallel. Set the topics property to the Kafka topic you want to send logs from. Now, configure the key.converter and value.converter properties to match your payload format. For example, you may want to use org.apache.kafka.connect.storage.string converter if using string data. Next, set the Elasticsearch endpoint URL with the connection.url property. You may also configure optional properties like type.name to define the document type. To persist the settings, save and close the configuration file. Now, submit the connector configuration using a REST API call to your Kafka Connect endpoint. You can do this using tools like curl or Postman. Make sure to use the post method and point to the /connectors endpoint. Once submitted, Kafka Connect will start processing the logs and sending them to Elasticsearch. You can monitor the status of your connector through the Kafka Connect REST API. Check the Elasticsearch instance to confirm that logs are being ingested. Now you can use Kibana or any other tool to visualize and analyze the logs. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Kafka Connect with Elasticsearch for log analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.